Welcome back to Daily Encouragement for a Fulfilling Life with Derrick L. Miles. Today, we'll explore the importance of doing it yourself. In a world that often values convenience and outsourcing, there's something truly empowering about taking on a challenge and doing it yourself. When you accomplish something on your own, it boosts your confidence, self-esteem, and sense of fulfillment. Remember, not everyone can be counted on. By taking responsibility for your own actions and goals, you can avoid the disappointment and frustration that comes with relying on others. If someone does help you along your journey, consider yourself blessed. Their support and encouragement can make a significant difference in your life. Here are a few reasons why doing it yourself can be so rewarding. 1. Sense of accomplishment. The feeling of satisfaction that comes from completing a task on your own is unparalleled. 2. Skill development. Learning new skills can be a rewarding experience and help you grow as a person. 3. Cost savings. Doing things yourself can often save you money compared to hiring someone else. 4. Increased independence. Becoming self-sufficient can give you a greater sense of control over your life. So, the next time you're faced with a challenge, consider doing it yourself. You might be surprised at what you can accomplish. So let's embark on this journey together. Tune in daily for more inspiration and encouragement as we explore the path to a fulfilling life. Be encouraged.